Good morning, children. How are you all? I think you all are fit and fine, beta. Today's topic is Reader Book Lesson 8, and the name of the lesson is Magnificent Mary. In today's English lesson, I will share with you biography of an Indian boxer. Name of that boxer is Mary Kom. Beta, now only you have got one new point, one new word, that is biography. Biography means a biography is a story of a person's life which is written by someone else. Okay, then what is the meaning of biography? Biography is a story of a person's life which is not written by that person, instead, which is written by someone else. Through this story, you will come to know how Mary Kom achieved success with hard work and determination. Before you read, what is the secret to achieving success? Secret means the fact which is unknown or unseen by others. So, what is the secret to achieving success? Should we lose hope when faced with difficulties on our journey to success? Here, this question is for you, children. What is said here? Should we lose our hope when we faced with difficulties, or when we face difficulties on our journey to success? Children, what is your opinion? Should we lose hope, or should we move ahead on the path of the success, or on our journey to success? Let us read the story, or the inspiring story of Mary Kom. Inspiring means encouraging story of Mary Kom, an Indian boxer whose journey was full of difficulties, but who succeeded due to her hard work and determination. Beta, what is the meaning of determination? Determination means firmness of purpose. So, a person can achieve success only and only by following the path of determination as well as hard work. These are the true key factors behind a successful man. Mary Kom is a man that stands for patience and hard work. Mary Kom is a name that stands for means Mary Kom is a name is a symbol of patience and hard work. A five-time world boxing champion, Mary Kom has fought battles not only in the boxing ring but also in her personal life. Children, Mary Kom in her personal life faced different sort of difficulties and hurdles. By overcoming them, she became a successful lady. However, Mary overcame all the hurdles and achieved much more than many of us can possibly dream of. Children, in the battle of her life, she overcame different sorts of problem and succeeded after that. And whatever she achieved, many of us can't even imagine. Like many other sports persons, Mary Com's success is an inspiration, means a feeling of enthusiasm, but it becomes even more meaningful when we consider her background. Means Mary Com's success story inspire us definitely, but when we come to know about her background, that time her life story is much more meaningful to us. Mary Com was born on 1st March 1983 in the tribal community in the clashes ridden state of Manipur. What was her birthday? She was born on 1st March 1983. She was took birth in a tribal community in the state of Manipur, and that state is considered to be a clashes ridden, means that state is having different sorts of problem and full of conflicts. Full name of Mary Com is Mangte Kungnejang Mary Com. Now only children, I told you she had taken birth in a very poor tribal community of Manipur. Her parents were poor farmers and worked hard in the fields. And Mary Come was the eldest child of her parents. As the eldest of her siblings, Mary took care of them from a very young age. So, as a first child of her parents. As a eldest child of her parents, she had to take care of her brothers and sisters, means siblings, from the very early age. Moreover, she used to help her parents earn their livelihood. Secondly, Mary had to help her parents to earn livelihood. Means livelihood, what is the meaning of livelihood? A means of securing the necessities of life. So Mary, from her childhood only, started helping to her parents to achieve the livelihood or earn the livelihood, meaning a means of securing the necessities of the life. And how she helped her parents to earn the livelihood? Firstly, she had to work on the fields, and as well as she had to help her parents in cutting woods after her school hours. That means find out how much hardworking girl she was at that moment of time, from her early childhood only. In the one hand, she took care of her siblings. On the other hand, after coming from the school, she helped her parents to earn livelihood by working in the farm or field, as well as she helped her parents to cut woods after the school hours. Mary was extremely interested in playing different kinds of sports during her school days. Means from the beginning, from her early childhood, she took interest in different kinds of sports and athletic. Now, children, I will tell you some of the word meaning. Number one, determination, firmness of purposes. Second, hurdles, that means problems of the life. Clashes, riddles, full of conflicts. Livelihood, a means of securing the necessities of life. She initially practiced in several athletic competitions, but soon took up boxing after being highly inspired by the famous Manipuri boxer Dinko Singh. So, beta, she was having keen interest in different sorts of sports and athletic. And from her very early age, she started taking part in different competitions related to sports and games, but she was highly inspired by the famous Manipuri boxer Dinko Singh. And this inspiration led her to take boxing as a career or profession. However, her father, who was a boxer in his early days, did not encourage her as he considered boxing to be a male sports. Beta, Mary Com's father himself was a boxer in his early days. Even then, that person did not encourage Mary to become a boxer. Why? His thinking was boxing was a game which is suitable for the male person. He thought that Mary would not be able to find a suitable groom if she continued boxing. And another reason, his father carrying within his mind that Mary would not be able to get a suitable groom for the marriage if she become a professional boxer. Despite all objections, means instead of all objections, Mary continued boxing even though she had no support from her family in the early days. What I told to you, in spite of all the objections, Mary continued boxing even though she was having many problems, no support from her family in the early days, and she could not even afford proper shoes and sports gear for herself. So, what it is said over here, the financial condition was not that much favorable for Mary, so she was unable to purchase the sports shoes which is required for boxing as well as other sports equipment needed for her at that time to continue boxing game. She also had to hide from her father during the practice sessions. Why she had to hide her from her father during her practice sessions? Because her father was not in favor of boxing and the game she wants to take as a profession for her future life. Mary Com's career started in the year of 2000 after her victory in the Manipur State Women's Boxing Championship and the Regional Championship in West Bengal. When Mary started her career? Mary actually started her career in the year of 2000 through the victory in Manipuri State Women's Boxing Championship as well as in the regional championship in West Bengal. And even after that, immediately after that, in 2001, she started competing at an international level. So, from the year of 2001, she started competing at an international level. She was only 18 years old when she made her international debut. Debut means first performance in front of public at the first AIBA Women's World Boxing Championship in United States, winning a silver medal in the 48 kilograms weight category. So, which fact inspires us? The inspiring fact behind that only at the age of 18 years, Mary made her international debut, international first public performance at AIBA Women's World Boxing Championship. Not only that, she has competed in the championship and as well as she was the winner. She got second position over there, got silver medal in the 48 kilograms weight category. Mary won the first women's boxing championship in 2001. In the same year, she won the second position in the Women's World Amateur Boxing Championship in the 48 kilograms category. So, immediately after her international entry debut, series of competition she has participated as well as she was the winner competitor over there. She won everywhere. She was not a loser. On the same year, means on the year of 2001, she won the second position in the Women's World Amateur means non-professional boxing championship in the category of 48 kilograms. She also won the world championship in the year 2002, 2005 and 2006. As a result, she was nicknamed as Magnificent Mary. What is the meaning of nickname? The meaning of nickname is a substitute name for a person or a substitute name we gave which properly suits to that person. Okay, beta. So, what is the meaning of nickname? A substitute name which we give to any famous person which suits properly to her or that person. Mary married K. on Larcom in the year of 2005 and gave birth to her twin sons Rechungvar and Kufneiver in 2007. Mary Kom also has another son, Prince, who was born in 2013. Now, children, I will tell you some of the word meaning. Number one, equipment, which goes with the word gear. Gear means equipment. Debut, a person's first appearance or performance in a particular capacity or role. Amateur, non-professional. Lastly, magnificent. Magnificent means impressive or very much admirable. She took a break from the game during this period. Means she has taken a break after the birth of her two twin male child. During this period and but after some time she started intense means extreme degree training again. So after the break she started extreme degree of training again. She made an impressive, admirable comeback by winning the silver medal at the 2008 Asian Women's Boxing Championship in India and a fourth successive, that means fourth continuous consecutive gold medal at the AIBA Women's World Boxing Championship in China. She also won a gold medal at the 2009 Asian Indoor Games in Vietnam. So, children, can you imagine over the fact how much extreme hard work she done so that when she come back again in the field, continuous success she grabbed, she bagged winning medal continuously during the year of 2008 as well as 2009 and even after that. On the year of the comeback, she was able to grab the silver medal at the 2008 Asian Women's Boxing Championship in India. And along with that, she was able to grab the fourth consecutive success in gold medal. She received gold medal, that means the first position winner in AIBA Women's World Boxing Championship, which was held in China. And on the same year, she was able to grab the gold medal, that means the first position in 2009 Asian Indoor Games in Vietnam. Now, children, I will share with you some of the word meaning. Intense means with a great energy and concentration. With a great energy as well as concentration. Impressive means admirable. Successive means consecutive, continuous. Next is streak, that means period. Physic means physical shape of a person or the physical shape of a body. Mary Com's success streak continued as she won the gold medal at the Asian Women's Boxing Championship in Kazakhstan in 2010 and at the AIBA Women's Boxing Championship in Barbados. Mary Com's success Turk means Mary Com's Mary Com followed an unbroken chain of success, or Mary Com is able to achieve an unbroken chain of success. Her success stories continued year after year. She won a gold medal at the Asian Women's Boxing Championship in Kazakhstan in the year of 2010 and at the AIBA Women's World Boxing Championship in Barbados. Not only this, she also won a bronze medal. That means she was able to grab the third position in the 2010 Asian Games and the gold medal in 2011 at the Asian Women's Cup in China. Mary Com's determination and willpower could be seen during the London Olympics in 2012. So, one incident was happened over there, beta. What is the new word we get over here? Mary Com's determination. What is the meaning of determination? Meaning of determination is the act of coming to a decision. Mary Com's determination and willpower could be seen during the London Olympics in 2012 when she did not lose her confidence even when she had to change her category from 48 to 51 kilograms. So what happened over there during London Olympics in 2012? As you know, children, till now she was fighting the game. She was continuing the game with 48 kilogram category. But all of a sudden, during the London Olympic, she had to shift her category from 48 kilograms to 51 kilograms. Then what will be the outcome? The outcome will be that she had to fight against with a more taller and more stronger competitors on the ring. So it can have some difficulty. She may face some difficulty. She may not. Everyone will face difficulty when we have to fight with a stronger person. The person is more stronger, person is more taller, and the person is having more physical strength than me. That time we all face difficulties. But the thing that is her self confidence, determination, that led her to proceed ahead. She confidently accepted the challenge and practiced against the male boxers who were taller and much more stronger physique than her. Her courage and hard work paid off her, and she was the final winner over the Olympic 2012. She was able to achieve the bronze medal, and she was the first Indian lady boxer to win the Olympic medal. So, children, what is the moral we are getting from here? Whatever be the circumstance, whatever be the condition, we should not lose our confidence. We should be determined to our objective, what we have to do. Then only we will become a winner in any perspective of our life. So, what we are getting from here? To win any race, any battle of our life, determination and strong willpower is required to us, to each one of us. We need strong willpower and determination. That is the success or key fact behind a successful person. The awards and recognitions for Mary Kom have continued over the years, as she was awarded the Arjun Award in 2003, the Padma Shri Award in 2006, the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award in 2009, and the Padma Bhushan in 2013. So, what is the result of hard work and determination? The award and the recognition, means appreciation, for Mary Kom have continued over years. She got several awards from the Indian government related to sports and games. At the beginning, she was achieved Arjun Award in 2003, then Padma Shri in 2006. After that, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award in 2009 and Padma Bhushan in 2013. She also, along with this, she also got the gold medal in the Asian Games in 2014, among many such others in the recent years. Means not only that, she had not stopped there only. In the recent year also, she has got many others awards and recognition. Mary Kom's success was only possible because of her hard work and determination. So, the success story is continued just because of hard work, of her hard work and determination. Her story is significant, means important. Why? Because she achieved all the accolades, means all the awards against all odds. So, what we come to know? Her success story is important. Why? Because she achieved all the awards in her life against all odds. means she was able to grab all the appreciation awards despite of all the difficulties she was having in her life. She worked with complete dedication. Dedication means complete commitment, complete devotion towards her goal, and fought bravely against all the obstacles that she faced. Thus, Mary Kom has all the qualities of a true sports person. So, what we got from here? A sports person, not only a sports person, each and every successful person must have an aim or objective of her or his life, along with strong willpower as well as determination. And only determination and willpower is not enough. Along with that, if you want to pursue with your dream, that time you want to give your 100% potential. That means you have to work hard in full determination along with the devotion. Okay, children, this is the success story of Mary Kom. Now, lastly, just I will share with you few word meanings. Recognition means appreciation, significance or significant means important, accolades means awards, and dedication means commitment. Children, now I will say goodbye to you, but this is not my final goodbye. I will meet with you in the next session with a new topic. Till then, children, stay safe, stay healthy. And lastly, I will tell you, if you are having any doubts about the understanding of the lesson, please clear your doubts, clarify it with me during our online teaching learning session. Okay, children, bye and take care.